But anyway, 2013 CRV, destructive. You see these guys? A disaster, but secret. Cut this out here. Smooth down, lube up. Also, save you a lot of money, guys. There's no way to get around this, so you need to shave, ground this all the way back to here. Remove a good portion. If you see that's a good portion removed from back there. Hard to tell. But what I'm gonna do is I can mount this. I want you to see how it's gonna go in there. Get a good little look at it and see if I can get it to stay while I do it. Tried a second ago, it was hard, but can y'all see that even? I don't know. It's tough, but I think you still can see the basic idea behind everything. So anyway, let me wipe this down and put it right through with a ball peen hammer, and then take my Leslie tool. Shout out to them, making great tools like always. Okay, y'all see that? Okay, okay. And we're gonna go right in through here, where the sweet spot's at. You see that? And try to find it. I can't hold the camera while I do this, but I can show you. That should be enough to get her in with a smack or two. We'll see. We will see. Wish me luck. Without messing the threads up, that's the main thing. If you won't go in, she's gonna need us. Give her a few more. Give her a few more. Here we go. She didn't want to do it right, so you know what? I'm gonna take some more off. Yes, I am. I got to. I don't have a choice. Yes, I am. Just a little bit, though. You know why? Because basically it's done. So let's see if I can do so you can see. Just a cheap tool. And watch. I've already ground that down. So not a lot. Whatever you do, not a lot. And right here. Just a little bit more tar we need on that guy. So then I'm gonna put her in. All right, shouldn't need even that much, really. I don't know what's going on today with that, but y'all get the picture, right? Let's see it. All right, lube, 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 and we should be able to go right in. Let's see. Let's just see. Don't get your dirt in your threads, too, whatever you do, fellas. But here we go. It should go in like magic now. Like a magic. Like a magic. There you go. That's the sweet spot. Make sure the car is in neutral, of course, and give it a little tap. And check the threads on the end, and we look pretty good. So y'all see how that's done. All right, now as you see, she's in. Threads are good. Actually, she's in pretty good. Actually, maybe to smack her the rest of the way in, but the thing is, you can't smack them in. Watch, even when she's in there. Sometimes you get lucky. Not kidding. Sometimes you can get lucky. Not much. Probably because I cut a little bit of them side pieces off. Either way, this is what this is for, by the way. Weisel basically goes over top and take your open-ended. Always get open-ended. So the tools you need is, this is the one I use, so you can't use it but once usually. That one's messed up now, but you got right here, a brand new open-ended stud, stronger, a whole lot better. You can pull it right through. And we have, for the job, you need, I use my Dremel tool. Also, you can use just a regular cutter. Can't get one, or a die grind cutter. Preferably, don't let your blade look like that. But you know what I'm saying. Either way, nice video, should help you out. Once installed, once I tighten this down, the ratchet gun, you pull it through. Then you get right on the head. I was able to hammer that thing in a little bit. Did it sing for me. All right, so. Let's see if I can just get this on. And get it rolling. Pull the rest of the way through. Trying to do too many things at once. I can get the damn thing backwards. Either way. This way. Doesn't really matter, but you know. you want to always make sure you do this right. This is the key part to it. You see how smooth that's going on now? And this will pull it the rest of the way through. So, trying to do anything you want. Stand my legs getting cramped. It's hot as heck out here, I know that. Definitely it's hot. Alright, so get him the rest of the way in. It'll suck it through. So alrighty, see the bearing spinning? And she's not quite all the way through yet, but she will be. Okie dokie. And she's definitely in now. So take the back off. Not gonna use that anyway, so I mean it is what it is. You don't want to get stuck in your tool like that. Don't come out. Either way. Turn it back up, check it out, and she's in. So, there you go. There you have it. It's 1, 2. So you do it. So, there you go. Lysol tool, and then put all this stuff back together. You know, this you just cut a piece here. So pretty easy. Remember, this is the key though. If you don't do that, you ain't getting it. And back here mainly, it's a good section I removed, but it doesn't affect anything at all. So, all right, take care.